Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? For her 2021 art installation, Anthem, Wu Sang joined forces with singer and composer Beverly Glenn Copeland to produce a piece that critics found truly blank. They praised Sang for creatively transforming a museum rotunda into a dynamic exhibit by projecting filmed images of Glenn Copeland onto a massive 80-foot curtain and filling the space with the sound of his and other voices singing. So, option choice A says restrained. This is incorrect because restrained would mean in this case limited or not very extravagant, but the text suggests the complete opposite, where it highlights the creativity and how there was a dynamic exhibit where Glenn Copeland was singing on a massive 84-foot curtain, and they filled the whole space with the sound of his and other voices singing. So this is not restrained in any way. So A can be eliminated. B. Inventive. This seems to be the correct answer because the text highlights right here how they praise Sang for creatively transforming a museum rotunda, so the emphasis is on creativity. Inventive means creative, and therefore inventive seems to be the correct answer here. C. Inexplicable. Inexplicable. This is incorrect because inexplicable means difficult to understand or comprehend, and this is incorrect because it doesn't properly match the context of the text, where where the critics don't find the anthem or art installation to be inexplicable or hard to understand. Rather, they find it to be rather creative or inventive. So C can be eliminated. D. Mystifying. This is incorrect because mystifying doesn't carry the correct meaning to highlight how the anthem or the art installation was creative. Therefore, D can also be eliminated. And with that, we're left with B as the correct answer.